Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This week, we're diving back into the world of open source with another look at the top trending GitHub projects. We've got a fantastic lineup of innovative tools and frameworks that are making waves in the developer community. So if you're ready to discover some game-changing technologies, buckle up and get ready for top trending open source GitHub projects this week, part 2. So grab your favorite beverage, settle in, and let's get started. Project number 1, 10Agent, your gateway to multimodal AI. 10Agent is an extraordinary open source project revolutionizing the way we interact with AI. This cutting-edge multimodal AI agent seamlessly integrates with OpenAI's real-time API and RTC, offering a truly immersive and interactive experience. What sets 10Agent apart is its ability to handle multiple modes of input and output, including text, voice, and even visual data, enabling you to build AI applications that feel natural and intuitive. Imagine having a conversation with an AI that not only understands your words, but also reacts to your facial expressions and gestures. That's the power of 10Agent. This project boasts an array of impressive features, including ultra-low latency, thanks to the real-time API, ensuring smooth and responsive interactions. It also incorporates RTC's AI noise suppression, guaranteeing crystal-clear audio during conversations. But it doesn't stop there. 10Agent goes beyond basic communication by integrating tools for weather checks and web search, making it a versatile and practical AI companion. 10Agent is designed for flexibility and extensibility. It supports multiple programming languages like C++, Go, and Python, allowing developers to build custom extensions and tailor the agent to their specific needs. Whether you're a seasoned AI developer or just starting, 10Agent provides a comprehensive framework and a thriving community to support your journey. To explore the world of 10Agent, visit their GitHub repository at 10-framework/10agent. Project number 2, WebLLM, bringing the power of LLMs to your browser. Have you ever wished you could run large language models, LLMs, like ChatGPT, right in your browser without relying on servers or compromising your privacy? Well, WebLLM is here to make that dream a reality. This groundbreaking project brings high-performance LLM inference directly to your web browser using the magic of WebGPU for hardware acceleration. This means you get the power of LLMs locally with no server needed. What makes WebLLM truly special is its full compatibility with the OpenAI API. This means you can use familiar tools and workflows to interact with a wide range of open source LLMs. WebLLM supports features like streaming for real-time output, JSON mode for structured data generation, and even function calling for more complex tasks. And if you have a custom model in the MLC format, WebLLM makes it easy to integrate and deploy it. WebLLM is built for flexibility. You can install it using package managers like NPM or Yarn, or even use it directly from a CDN. It also offers advanced features like web worker and service worker support for optimal performance and offline capabilities. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even build Chrome extensions powered by WebLLM. The project is supported by a passionate community and boasts a constantly growing list of supported models, including popular options like Llama 2, Phi 3, Mistral, and Qwen. With WebLLM, the possibilities are endless. Check out the project on GitHub and experience the future of LLMs in your browser. Project number 3, Wasp, building web apps at lightning speed. Are you tired of wrestling with boilerplate code and complex configurations when building web applications? Look no further than Wasp, a revolutionary open source framework designed to streamline the development process for full-stack web apps using React, Node.js, and Prisma. Wasp takes inspiration from the simplicity and efficiency of Ruby on Rails and brings it to the world of modern JavaScript development, allowing you to create and deploy production-ready apps with remarkable speed. What sets Wasp apart is its unique approach based on a declarative configuration file. Instead of getting bogged down in the nitty-gritty details of server setup, routing, and database connections, you simply describe the high-level structure of your app in a concise .wasp file. Wasp's intelligent compiler then takes over, generating all the necessary code for your front-end, back-end, and deployment, eliminating the need for tedious manual configuration and reducing boilerplate to a minimum. This means you can focus on what truly matters, crafting the unique logic and features that make your app stand out. Wasp is designed to be developer-friendly and accessible. Its intuitive syntax is easy to learn, and the framework provides clear documentation and helpful examples to get you started quickly. Plus, Wasp offers a wealth of powerful features out of the box, box, including full-stack authentication, seamless client-server communication via RPC, simplified deployment, background jobs, and even email sending capabilities. And the best part? Wasp doesn't lock you into specific providers, giving you complete control over your code and deployment options. Join the Wasp community and experience the future of web development, where speed, simplicity, and power converge. Project number 4, Opik, the open source solution for building better LLMs. Are you excited about the potential of large language models, LLMs, but struggling to navigate the complexities of developing and deploying them effectively? Opik is an open source platform designed to simplify the entire LLM development lifecycle, providing powerful tools for evaluation, testing, and monitoring to ensure your LLM applications are top-notch. Opik is built by Comet, a company known for its expertise in machine learning tooling, so you can trust that it's backed by a solid foundation of knowledge and experience. What makes Opik truly unique is its comprehensive approach. It addresses the challenges of LLM development from multiple angles, starting with tracing, which allows you to track all your LLM calls and interactions during both development and production. This provides invaluable insights into how your models are behaving and helps you identify areas for improvement. Opik also makes it easy to annotate your LLM calls with feedback scores, either through the Python SDK or the intuitive user interface. Opik takes evaluation to the next level with automated processes for assessing the performance of your LLM application. You can store test cases in datasets and run experiments to see how your models handle different scenarios. Opik even includes LLM as a judge metrics, which use another LLM to provide feedback on complex issues like hallucination detection, moderation, and retrieval augmented generation RAG evaluation. And to streamline your workflow, you can integrate Opik into your CI/CD pipeline using the PyTest integration. Whether you're building chatbots, content creation tools, or any other LLM-powered application, Opik empowers you to build with confidence. Project number 5, OpenVINO Notebooks, your hands-on guide to deep learning inference. Are you eager to explore the world of deep learning inference, but feeling overwhelmed by the complexity of setting up environments and getting started? Look no further than OpenVINO Notebooks, a collection of ready-to-run Jupyter notebooks designed to make learning and experimenting with the OpenVINO toolkit a breeze. These notebooks provide a practical and interactive approach to understanding the fundamentals of OpenVINO and mastering its API for optimized deep learning inference. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, OpenVINO Notebooks offers a valuable resource to accelerate your deep learning journey. What sets OpenVINO Notebooks apart is its accessibility and ease of use. The notebooks are available as an interactive GitHub Pages application, allowing for seamless navigation and exploration of the content. You can choose from a wide variety of topics, including object detection, image classification, and even depth estimation, all covered through practical examples and step-by-step guidance. The notebooks are designed to run on a variety of platforms, including your local machine, cloud VMs, and even Docker containers, ensuring flexibility and convenience. OpenVINO Notebooks is more than just a collection of tutorials. It's a gateway to a thriving community of developers and enthusiasts passionate about deep learning inference. The project offers extensive documentation, including installation guides for various operating systems, troubleshooting tips, and a comprehensive FAQ section to address any questions you might have. You'll also find links to additional resources like the OpenVINO blog, Awesome OpenVINO, and Open Model Zoo demos, providing a wealth of knowledge and inspiration to fuel your deep learning adventures. With OpenVINO Notebooks, you'll gain the confidence and skills to build and deploy cutting-edge deep learning applications. Project number 6, Krayin CRM, a powerful and free open-source CRM solution. Are you searching for a robust customer relationship management CRM system, but hesitant to commit to expensive proprietary software? Look no further than Krayin CRM, a free and open-source CRM solution built on the popular Laravel PHP framework and the versatile Vue.js JavaScript framework. This makes Krayin CRM an exceptional choice for small to medium enterprises, SMEs, and large enterprises seeking complete control over their customer lifecycle management. Krayin CRM distinguishes itself as a truly open-source project licensed under the OSL 3.0 license. This means you have complete freedom to use, modify, and distribute the software without any licensing fees, giving you full ownership and flexibility over your CRM system. It offers a comprehensive set of features designed to streamline your business operation. Its intuitive and descriptive admin panel email provides a user-friendly experience, while features like custom attributes and a modular approach allow for easy customization and scalability. Email parsing via SendGrid ensures efficient communication, and the availability of a live demo allows you to explore its capabilities before installation. For developers, Krayin CRM is a dream come true. Built on the powerful Laravel and Vue.js frameworks, it offers a solid foundation for building custom extensions and tailoring the CRM to specific business needs. The project is well documented with detailed installation instructions, requirements, and a dedicated forum for community support. If you encounter any security vulnerabilities, the developers encourage responsible disclosure through email. Krayin CRM empowers businesses to manage customer interactions effectively and provides developers with a powerful platform for building custom CRM solutions. Project number 7, Kyanos. Unveiling the secrets of network latency in your command line. Are you tired of struggling to pinpoint the root cause of network slowdowns? Kyanos, an open-source network analysis tool powered by eBPF, Extended Berkeley Packet Filter, provides a revolutionary approach to visualizing and understanding network latency right from your command line. Forget the tedious process of capturing packets, downloading files, and analyzing them separately. Kyanos brings everything you need into a single, intuitive interface, making it the ultimate tool for network troubleshooting. What sets Kyanos apart is its ability to go beyond traditional network monitoring tools. It doesn't just show you what's happening, it explains why it's happening. Kyanos provides in-depth kernel-level latency details, tracing the journey of packets from the network card to the kernel socket buffer, and visualizing each stage in an easy-to-understand format. This granular level of insight allows you to identify precisely where delays occur, whether it's in the network card, the kernel processing, or the application itself. Kyanos is incredibly powerful, yet surprisingly lightweight and easy to use. With almost zero dependencies, it runs as a single binary file and requires only a single command to start capturing and analyzing network traffic. It offers advanced filtering capabilities, allowing you to narrow down your analysis based on IP addresses, ports, process IDs, container IDs, and even L7 protocol information like Redis keys or HTTP paths. And to make troubleshooting even easier, Kyanos automatically decrypts SSL traffic, presenting all captured requests and responses in plain text. With its combination of power, simplicity, and intuitive visualization, Kyanos empowers you to become a network detective, solving even the most complex latency mysteries with ease. Project number 8, ScreenPipe, recording reality, one pixel at a time. Are you fascinated by the potential of artificial general intelligence, AGI, but feel limited by the lack of comprehensive real-world data? Imagine a tool that could capture everything happening on your desktop: screen activity, voice, keyboard inputs, mouse movements, even camera recordings, all in real time and across different platforms. That's the ambitious goal of ScreenPipe, an open-source project designed to revolutionize data collection for AGI development. What makes ScreenPipe truly unique is its all-encompassing approach to capturing user desktop data. It goes beyond simple screen recording, offering a single API to access a wealth of information that can be used to train and refine sophisticated AI models. And it's not just about collecting raw data. ScreenPipe empowers developers to create custom pipes, essentially sandbox JavaScript plugins that can analyze and process this data in real time. This opens up a world of possibilities for creating intelligent agents that can understand and interact with the digital world in unprecedented ways. ScreenPipe has gained significant attention, becoming the #1 trending repository on GitHub on multiple occasions. The project is backed by Founders Inc., demonstrating its potential to make a real impact in the field of AI. It's also worth noting that ScreenPipe is actively running bounties, encouraging developers to contribute and earn rewards for their efforts. ScreenPipe is a groundbreaking project that could fundamentally change how we approach AGI development. By providing a powerful and flexible platform for capturing and analyzing real-world data, ScreenPipe is paving the way for a future where AI can truly understand and interact with the world around us. Project number 9, Keep, your open-source alert management and AIOps platform. Are you drowning in a sea of alerts from your various monitoring tools, struggling to make sense of the noise and prioritize critical issues? Keep, the open-source alert management and AIOps platform, is here to rescue you. This powerful tool acts as a single pane of glass, consolidating alerts from all your monitoring systems, enriching them with valuable context, and automating workflows to streamline incident response. Keep is designed to help you cut through the clutter, identify the root cause of problems quickly, and ensure that the right people are notified at the right time. What makes Keep truly unique is its comprehensive and developer-friendly approach. It boasts a best-in-class, customizable UI, providing a clear and intuitive view of all your alerts and incidents. But it's much more than just a pretty interface. Keep acts as a Swiss Army knife for alerts, offering powerful features for deduplication, correlation, filtering, and enrichment. This means you can say goodbye to redundant alerts and focus on the issues that truly matter. And with deep bidirectional integrations with a wide range of monitoring tools, incident management platforms, and communication channels, Keep seamlessly fits into your existing workflow. Keep also embraces the power of automation. Its innovative workflows, powered by GitHub Actions, allow you to define custom actions triggered by specific events. This means you can automate tasks like creating Jira tickets, sending notifications to specific teams, or even restarting servers, freeing up your time for more strategic initiatives. And with AIOps 2.0 capabilities, Keep leverages artificial intelligence to provide advanced correlation and summarization, helping you understand the bigger picture and resolve incidents faster. Whether you're running a small startup or a large enterprise, Keep empowers you to take control of your alert management and optimize your incident response. Project number 10, Modded-NanoGPT, achieving lightning-fast training speeds for language models. Are you fascinated by the world of large language models but intimidated by the massive computational resources required to train them? Enter Modded-NanoGPT, a groundbreaking project that's pushing the boundaries of training speed for GPT-2 models. This modified variant of Andrej Karpathy's LLM.C repository achieves remarkable results, reaching the same validation loss as the original GPT-2 in a fraction of the time and using significantly fewer tokens. What sets Modded-NanoGPT apart is its ingenious combination of architectural innovation and optimization techniques. The project incorporates modern architectural elements like rotary embeddings, QK-norm, and ReU2, alongside a novel optimizer called Muon. Muon, which stands for Momentum Orthogonalized by Newton-Schultz, boasts lower memory usage than Atom, while delivering superior sample efficiency and minimal overhead. Additionally, the project leverages techniques like untied heads, architectural shortcuts, momentum warm-up, and flex attention with window size warm-up to further accelerate training. The results speak for themselves. Modded-NanoGPT can train a 124M parameter model to a validation loss of 3.278 in under 5 minutes on 8x100 GPUs, using just 0.9B tokens. This represents a significant improvement over the original LLM.C trainer, which required 45 minutes and 10B tokens to achieve a similar result. Modded-NanoGPT even offers instructions for running the training on fewer GPUs or with limited memory, ensuring accessibility for a wider range of users. With its relentless pursuit of speed and efficiency, Modded-NanoGPT is democratizing access to large language models and paving the way for groundbreaking advancements in AI. That's it for this week's roundup of top trending open source GitHub projects. I hope you found these projects as exciting as I did. Be sure to check out the links in the description to learn more about each project. Which project are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more exciting tech content. See you in the next one.